If you've ever wanted to start an online store but felt overwhelmed, this guide is going to make everything crystal clear. Today, you'll learn exactly how to use Shopify in the quickest and easiest way possible, perfect for beginners or anyone wanting a cleaner, more professional store. Let's jump right in. Once you log into your Shopify dashboard, you'll land on your store's homepage. Think of this as your command center, the place where every important tool, customization, and setting lives. From here, you'll navigate to the Online Store tab on the left-hand panel. This is where the real transformation begins. Inside the Online Store section, you'll see your themes area. Themes are the foundation of your store's entire look and feel, and choosing the right one is key to catching a customer's attention. If you already have a theme downloaded or purchased, hit the Import Theme button and upload it. Having a unique theme can instantly set your store apart from everyone else. If you'd rather browse new options, click into the theme store. Here, you'll find a huge collection of stunning designs, minimal, bold, modern, or colorful, whatever matches your brand's personality. Pick the one that feels right, because a cohesive aesthetic is what keeps visitors on your site longer and builds trust. Once your theme is selected, click Customize. This is where your store starts to take shape. You can adjust your homepage layout, add images, banners, featured products, and more. Take your time exploring each section. This is where your brand becomes visible. Now move into theme settings. Start by uploading your logo, even if it's a simple one. A clean logo instantly boosts your store's professionalism. Next, adjust your colors to match your brand palette. Shopify's color picker makes this incredibly easy, and these small details make a big difference in your overall design. After that, choose your fonts. Typography plays a huge role in readability and personality. So pick fonts that match your brand's tone, clean and modern, playful, elegant, or bold. Lastly, check out the style presets inside your theme settings. Applying a preset can give your store a polished, unified look with just one click. And that's it. Your streamlined, step-by-step walkthrough of how to use Shopify and set up a beautiful, functional online store. With these basics in place, you're already ahead of most beginners. Keep exploring, keep customizing, and most importantly, enjoy the process of building something that's truly yours. Happy selling.